Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, DonkeyTube1978. I'm here today with GSHLproductions. What we've done here is we've created a bit of a Roman candle shotgun. Made out of wood, got a metal barrel. What we do here is run the Roman candle in like so, light the wick. What you have is a Roman candle shotgun. I haven't tried this out yet. This will be our first go at it, so enjoy.
Wow, it's loud, eh? First couple are duds.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude, look at the distance.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
What do you think?
Well, after a short review, we both put one Roman candle in this puppy, and I'd have to say that it fucking rules. This thing is probably the coolest Roman candle gun you're gonna see on the market today. It's completely custom. It's the bomb. It's the bomb. It's the bomb.